Hello students, in this video I am going to explain about the experiment semiconductor diode in forward bias. Mainly I am explaining about how to do the circuit connections, how to take down the readings and also regarding calculations. See, this is the circuit diagram of the semiconductor diode in forward bias. Let us come to the circuit part. Here the battery positive is connected to one of the lower end of the rheostat, another lower end of the rheostat to battery negative, which completes the first loop. Now again from battery positive to positive of the milliammeter, negative of the milliammeter to P side of the diode, red terminal, then N side of the diode to the upper end of the rheostat. Now from P side of the diode to the positive terminal, see from P side of the diode to the positive terminal of the voltmeter and N side of the diode to the negative terminal of the voltmeter. In this way the diode is forward biased. Now I switch on the circuit. Let us set the values of voltage in the voltmeter and we note down the corresponding current in the milliammeter. I set the voltage from 0.1 to 0.5 volt. 0.1 to 0.5 volt of voltage, we get the current, that is by sliding the slider of the rheostat. I set it for 0.1 volt, the current is coming 0. Up to 0.5 volt, we get the values of current 0 only. After 0.5 volt, after 0.5 volt, you set the voltage in such a way that 0.5 to 0.54 like that. 0.52 volt, we are getting 0. 0.54 volt also 0. After 0.56 volt, the current is slightly increasing. Up to 0.7 volt, you note down the readings like this. In the graph, I have plotted by taking voltage along x-axis and current along y-axis. I got the points like this. For initial points, you just draw the curve, which is also called a smooth curve, without using scale. But for these points, you use the scale and draw a straight line like this. After that, that straight line portion has to be extended towards x-axis like this. Where that straight line exactly touches the x-axis, that will be your cut-in voltage. Here you can see at 0.6 volt it is touching, so that I write the result. Cut-in voltage of the given diode is 0.6 volt. In this way you can do the experiment. Hope you understood. Thank you.